Morning from a dreary grey skied, awful looking Orpington this morning. What we got today? I'm sure this is Indian sandstone. Some might say limestone, but I think it's the way it's been cut, it's sandstone. But coffee of the day, back to the Primo. Get in. I'll be flying around on this one. Yeah, did a good job yesterday. You'll see that soon. Right, let me show you. Lady has tried to clean this, but she said it was taking so long with the culture. So you can see when I turn the video over, she's probably cleaned 2 lanes of it, 2 lanes of paving slabs, and you can see it should come up nice, really nice. Let's spin you around and let's have a look. I don't think it's limestone because limestone's normally just hasn't got that rough looking on top. It's normally smooth. But we'll do a little test patch or a little bit of hypo just to make sure it ain't going to scar it. But if you can see there, lady has cleaned one side to the other. But you can see there, I think, where it's sort of, the lines are, it's where the Karcher can't cut it. So it's mostly black, it's pollution, no oil, but I've got some spots here, I'm not sure what they are, they look like rust. But they're just on that one, so I don't know whether it's in the rock or not. It's in the sandstone. Coming out to the back. I would say it's overly dirty. Some people probably say, oh, have you cleaned it already? But and then we've got the pathway going down to the back. Nice, neat garden. No obstructions. Surface cleaner's gonna do its work today. Right, let's get filming. There we go, sandstone cleaned. Flat surface cleaner's quite an easy job, to be honest. It's just literally going down with the IPO afterwards. There wasn't much organic on it to clean, I just want to give it a clean up. All the back's done. It's all cleaned. It's all cleaned down the pathway. Lovely garden. All right, see you on the next one. Keep subscribing if you're still here.